Hello students, welcome to this class, lecture number 25, chapter 5, AP. I hope you are taking part in your PT examination, PT test, and but you should be regular in your study. Okay students, so today this is this topic is sum of first n term of AP. So students, here in this video we will discuss how to add numbers which is in AP using formulas. So student, here to find nth term we have formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and an means nth term, a means first term, n means number of terms, and d means common difference. In previous exercise we have done many questions with the help of this formula, but today we will use to solve our problems this formula, where Sn is equal to n upon 2 under bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is sum of n terms, n number of terms, a first term, d common difference. Okay students, this formula can be written as Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus a n. Student, here see 2a is there, so 2a can be written as a plus a. This formula can be written as this, Sn is equal to n upon 2, a plus n minus 1 into d. These 2a represents 2a. Now a plus n minus 1 into d, this part of the formula you can write as an. So directly you can write Sn means sum of n term is equal to n upon 2 under bracket a plus an, or sometimes you can write here Sn is equal to n upon 2 under bracket a plus l also, because sometimes we say an means nth term is l, which is known as last term. So students, here we have main formula, and these are the product of this formula. Okay students, so here we will discuss, we will solve different questions with the help of this formula. So be ready. Okay students. So students, here we have first question of 5.3 exercise. A question is find the sum of the following APs. In first question there are 4 parts, and APs are given, and we have to find sum of the following APs. Sum of the following is means how many terms? Term is given in front of the AP. For example, first 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So no doubt we have to find the sum of 10 terms. Similarly, this AP minus 37, minus 33, minus 39 up to 12 term. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. Similarly, 1 upon 15 to 11 term. So students, here we will solve 2 parts, and I hope we will solve remaining 2 parts. So first of all we take second part. So here solution of second part, AP is given minus 37, minus 33, minus 39 up to 12 terms. So students, here write given points. Here given a means first term. First term is here minus 37, and common difference is a2 minus a1, and a2 is minus 33, minus a1 is minus 37. So students, you can find minus 33 plus 37, 37 minus 37, 37 minus 33, that is 4. So we have first term a, common difference 4, and now number of terms n is 12 here. Okay students, so we have a 37 with negative sign, d 4, and n 12. Now we will find sum of n terms. So okay students, write this. Okay, so remember, note down here, A minus 37 and D is 4 and N is equal to 12. Now, thus Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket close 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Students, we have this formula and we want to find sum of n terms. N means 12 terms. So we will write here S12 is equal to 12 upon 2, where n is equal to 12. 2 into a means minus 37 plus minus, sorry, n is here, n means 12 minus 1 into d is 4. Okay, now see here, 2 6 ja 12, 37 2 ja minus 74. Now here it becomes 11 into 4, 6 under bracket minus 74 plus 11 4 ja 44, 6 and minus 74 or plus 44 students, it becomes I think minus 30. So your answer sum of 12 term is minus 180 students. So this is your answer. Okay students, write down. So students, now I have solved second part of this question. Now we will take third part here. AP is given 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, up to 100 terms. So from this series we have A is equal to 0.6 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, term second minus term first, term second is 1.7 and first is 0.6. Subtract here 7 minus 6 1.1 and n number of terms are 100 here. Now we have A, D and 100. So solve Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting these values, S100, 100 upon 2, 2 into first term is 0.6 plus n 100 minus 1 and d is 1.1. Students, 2 50 ja 50 times S100 is equal to 50 under bracket 1.2 plus, students, here 100 minus 1 99, 99 into 1.1, 99 into 1.1, 108 I think, or this one is there, 108.9 students. Check it. Okay students, now add these 50 multiplied by 108.9 and 1.2, 1.2 ऐड करेंगे 110.1, 110.1. Finally you get multiply and get answer as 0. Your answer, final answer will be 5505. This is your answer. So okay students, write the solution of third part of this sum. Okay students, similar way, by similar way I hope you will solve first part and last part. Last part AP is given as fraction 1 upon 15 first term, and to find D you will subtract, you will write 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. I would like to give hint, fourth part, A is here 1 upon 15 and D you can write 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. and take LCM and subtract. After taking LCM and subtracting, you will get D, common difference, and number of terms are 11. Use same formula, find solution. Okay students, write this solution. So students, here we have second question of 5.3. In this question, AP is given and we have to find sum of the AP, but number of terms is unknown. Number of terms are unknown, so first of all we have AP 7 plus 10 is to 1/2 plus 14 that is 84. So with the help of this AP we have to find number of terms. Here given first term is 7 and D is equal to 10 is to 1/2 minus 7. Second term minus first term, it becomes 21/1 minus 2 upon 7 is 1, LCM 2, 21 minus 2 7 14, it becomes 7/2. Students, we have first term 7 and D, A2 minus A1, 10 is to 1/2, 21/2 minus 7, LCM 2, 2 1 ja 21, 1 2 ja 2 7 ja 14, and we have to find first n, question mark. So now students, we will use formula to find an. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So students, we have this formula. An means last term. Here an is 84. Okay students, so here an is equal to 84. So putting 84 is equal to a, first term is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7/2. Transposing 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7/2 students. Now 84 minus 7 is 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7/2. Okay students, now 77 is equal to, we can write n minus 1 into 7/2 is equal to 77. Doing cross multiplication, 7 into n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 77. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 77/7. 7 11 ja 11 2 ja 22 is there. Therefore n minus 1 22, or n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23 terms. So here students, we have found 23 as a value of n. Now after finding the value of n, we will find sum of 23 terms. Okay students, so write the solution. So students, here we have a first term 7, d 7/2 and n 23. Now in the continuation of, no doubt students, we are solving part first. So S23 is equal to, first of all write Sn is equal to n/2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d students. Now putting n is 23/2, 2 into first term is 7 plus 23 minus 1 and d is 7/2. So here 23/2 students, 7 2 ja 14 plus 23 minus 1 22 multiplied by 7/2. 2 11 ja. Now students, 23/2, 14 plus 11 7 ja 77 upon 2, sorry not 2, 11 7 ja only 77. Now add these 23 upon 2 multiplied by 77 and 14, I think 91. So now students, we have S23, sum of 23 terms is equal to 23 upon 2 into 91. Multiply and divide, or you can divide this 11.5 multiplied by 91, and certainly if you multiply you will get answer. Okay students? So students, you can write your answer, or if you do not want to write in decimal form, then you can write S is equal to S23 is equal to 23 into 91 upon 2. It becomes 1046 is 2 upon 2. This answer in mixed fraction. Okay, so you can write in decimal form as well as you can write in a mixed fraction your answer. Okay students, so this solution is over. And now we take other part. Part third is here. So third part is there students. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus dash 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 dash, lastly minus 230. So students, here this is an AP, and similarly you will solve the sum of these all terms. Before finding sum of all these terms, you have to find number of terms. So students, here A is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 8 minus minus 5, it becomes minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. Okay students, and AN is given here minus 230. So using formula, N is unknown, so AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D students. Minus 230 is equal to A is minus 5 plus N is here student unknown, minus 1, and D is minus 3. Transposing minus 230 plus 5 is equal to, you can write here minus 3 and N minus 1. Here students, it becomes minus 225, or minus 225 upon student 3 with negative sign is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 cancel out, and if you want to divide it, 75 is equal to N minus 1, or students N is equal to 76 here. There are 76 terms. Okay students, so solve it and write down, and now we will try to find sum of 76 terms. Okay, so N is given here, A is given here, D is given here. Now no doubt you will find S26. Okay students, so write the solution. So students, here we have Sn is equal to N upon 2 and 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S76 because N is 76, A is minus 5, 2 into minus 5 plus 76 minus 1, and D is minus 3. Now 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 13, 16, and it becomes minus 10, and here 75 into minus 3, 38 minus 10, and it becomes minus 225, and finally 38 multiplied by minus 235. Okay, students. Now multiply this and answer will be there. Okay, students. So it was the solution of part of question second, last part of question number second. Now we will solve one more part of question third. Then remaining part I hope you will solve. Write down. तो students, in this question, question number third is there, and here first part of question number third is given A5, D3 and AN50. We have to find N and SN. Students, as earlier we have solved already such question number second, first part and last part. By same method you will solve this question. Okay, students. So first you will use AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D formula to find N. Okay, students. Now after this you will use Sn is equal to N upon 2A plus N minus 1 into D. I hope, students, you will try to solve. Okay, and in next video we will solve a third question in detail. Till then, wait and take care of yourself. Take a screenshot, subscribe this channel. Okay, and thanks.